Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, we are doing a walk-around, startup, and a drive video for you on a 1966 Plymouth Satellite. What a gorgeous turquoise car. This car has the original 318 poly engine in it, automatic transmission. This car was a California car up until a few years ago. The body and paint are absolutely beautiful. Magnum 500s with the spinners, the Coker Redline tires. Man, this is one gorgeous car. That iconic muscle car look. We have a lot of paperwork that goes with this car, and just check out this engine compartment. Beautifully done. I was just telling my salesman that I love it when these cars, honestly, yes, it's a 318, it's not a 383 or 440, but I'd rather see the original engine, the original power plant in these cars. This car is absolutely amazing. Fender tag is intact. 4-barrel Edelbrock carburetor. The engine was overhauled, the shocks, the brakes, the suspension on the car. I talked to the gentleman who'd done a lot of maintenance and worked on this car, and he said it's very, very nice car. Interior is in great shape. 94,113 miles shown on the odometer. The sun visors, the headliner, the sail panels, your rear package tray, all in very, very nice shape. Seat belts are all there. I love the interior in these Satellites and GTXs. Man, that design on them is just so cool. Door jambs, very nice. Door panels are matching the seats. Little to no wear here on the seat. Just a little spot right here. All original interior, I do believe. Got the nice Satellite floor mats in it. The stereo or the horn works, the stereo works. You hit the key, it starts right up. Bright headlight indicator. Left turn on the dash, left turn on the fender. Right turn on the dash. I'll get over here so you can see. Right turn on the fender. Lots of paperwork on this car. And then there's the original sales contract from 1966. Copy of the California title. There's some more original paperwork in here. Pull it out, show you. There's the original window sticker. Looks like the car was in Idaho at one time as well, 1990. So it's been a Western car. Paperwork from Idaho, Oregon, and California in there. Original owner's manual in this bag as well. Blower motor works, wipers work. Probably kind of hard to tune in stations in this building, so the radio does work. I'm not sure about the cigarette lighter. I don't know that it works. You don't want to smoke in here anyway, right? Maybe you charge your phone is all. What a gorgeous car. I love this color combination. You can check out the sides of the car. The car is laser straight. The undercarriage of this car is beautiful. Right turn, headlights. We'll turn that left one on. We'll turn the high or the low beams are on currently, but high beams are on. We'll turn the low beams on. Put that other signal on. It's just got the right look, doesn't it? I mean, the wheel tire combination, the paint, the interior, it's just got the right look all in all. Inside the trunk is very nice as well. It's got the jack and the spare. Jack's right there. The spare is under here. Original jack instructions. Looks like the original paint in the jams on this car. All the original spot welds. It appears in the quarter panels. Man, what a nice car. The only thing I can pick, the rear bumper's got a little tarnish on it, and that's kind of a common thing on these 66 and 7 Satellites and GTXs, because you cannot buy a aftermarket bumper for them. You can have them re-chromed. Front bumper, it looks really good. Just a little bit of tarnish right here. Stainless trim and bright work on this car is very, very nice though. That's what we do here at Kinion Classics. You see exactly what we see. If you see a few little droplets on this, it's probably because I had it sitting out. I had to wipe it down because it just started to sprinkle a little bit. I've been kind of avoiding the storm today, per se, because we haven't had rain in man, I want to say it's probably been 40 days, 45 days since it's rained, so we could use it, but just not today when I'm picturing a video about 15 cars. So very, very nice quality car. Let's take it out for a spin. As long as it's not downpouring when I open this door. I just drove another car and it was raining pretty good, so what's she look like? No, it's not too bad. Let's get out and take this beautiful ride on a little test drive. Check out the door gaps and the panel alignment. All the panels on this car fit great. If you're looking for a quality car, this is definitely a quality car. I'm pricing this car at $44,900. I think that's a great deal on this car. Just strictly and simply a beautiful ride, dual exhaust. I'll put it up on the hoist here in a little while too. I will have undercarriage pictures on my website. Turn that blower motor off. I don't need the heat on right now. The heat does work. Blower motor was getting warm. Gas gauge works. Reads about a quarter tank. Temp gauge is starting to come up. Voltage gauge reads just over half. It does flicker just a little bit. Pleasure to drive. Holy cow. Transmission shifts good. 65, 68 mile an hour down the road. And you notice that gauge, once you get going, that gauge doesn't flicker like it did when it's in there idle. It's just got a little bit of a flicker in it. That's what I'm saying here at Kinion Classic Cars. We show you what we see, like I said before, and we buy quality cars so we can sell quality cars. It doesn't matter, everyone, it doesn't matter whether you buy a $5,000 car or a $250,000 car. Quality is quality, and that's what we stick with here at Kinion Classics. best, you can sell the best. I mean, that's my motto. I have one little squeal over here on this wing window. Be careful there, I'm gonna miss my driveway. I'll pull in here and get out and show you the, I don't know if that window isn't up all the way or had a little bit of a squeal on that side. I don't know if that was that window, the actual window or that wing window. Nothing terrible. I'm sure you guys could hear that when I was driving down the road. What a gorgeous ride, huh? Thought the brake light switch was sticking on. It was just a little bit there. Pedal must have came right back on it though. My salesman seen this car and he fell in love with it. Who wouldn't, right? Look at that nice shiny paint. Nice tree there, isn't it? See that road sign in it? I mean, this is a gorgeous car. I think you'd be hard pressed to find a nicer car, you know, nicer quality Mopar for the money. That noise you hear is just the keys slapping around on the dash there, in case you were wondering what that noise was. Yeah, just a little bit of squeal over there from that window. I'll see if I can get that adjusted just a little bit, but I know one thing. There. Them vents down underneath the dash were open. I had that cold air coming in right on my knees. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. www.kinionauto.com, K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade quality collector cars, trucks, and special inventory every day. Again, give us a call, 563-452-2450. Thanks for watching our YouTube videos. Thank you to all our subscribers, and those of you who have not subscribed already, please do so by hitting that red subscribe button. We greatly appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back at you here in just a little bit with another great quality collector car.